A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous videos we have discussed about chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But today we will discuss about chapter number 10, dentition. Chapter number 10, dentition. First of all, today we will discuss about teeth, definition of teeth and structure of teeth. Definition of teeth and structure of teeth. First of all, students, what is teeth? The teeth are the hardest non-bony substances. The teeth are the hardest. The teeth are the hardest non-bony substances in the human body. In the human body. Okay, students, the teeth are the hardest non-bony substances in the human body. Okay, the teeth are the hardest non-bony substances in the human body. Okay, students, they are fixed in the socket or alveoli. They are fixed in the socket or alveoli of jaw bones. Okay, now they are used in beating, chewing, speech and grinding of the food. Okay, students, so this is definition of teeth. The teeth are the hardest non-bony substances in the human body. Okay, now we will discuss about structure of teeth. Students, our teeth is divided in three major parts. Our teeth is divided in three major parts. First is root. Second is neck. Third is crown. Okay, first is neck, root, second is neck, third is crown. Here to here, this part is called root and this part is called neck and last one, this part is called crown. Okay, so our teeth is divided in three major parts: root, neck and crown. Root, neck and crown. Okay, first of all, students, what is root? Root is the basal part. Root is the basal part embedded in the alveolus. Now second is neck. Neck is the middle part enclosed in the gum. This is called gum. This is called gum. This part is called gum. Okay, students, now third is crown. The visible part, just like this, visible part projected beyond the gum. ठीक है, the visible part is called crown, projected beyond the gum. Okay, now students, parts of teeth. First is enamel. These outer parts, the outer covering parts of the crown is called enamel. The white shiny outer covering of the crown is called enamel or ivory. Enamel or ivory. This is called ivory. Okay, students? Enamel or ivory. It is hardest substances. Enamel is hardest substances in the body. Enamel wears away with age and dentine is exposed and the teeth start looking yellow. Teeth start looking yellow. Okay. Now second is dentine. Second is dentine. This part is called, this yellowish part is called dentine. This is called dentine. Okay. Dentine is the yellowish. Dentine is the yellowish bone-like tissue that lies inside the enamel. It is harder than bone but not as hard as enamel. Okay. It is harder than bone but not as hard as enamel. Dentine forms the major part of the teeth. Okay. Dentine forms the major part of the teeth. Now third is cementum. Cementum. Okay, or cement. Cementum or cement. It is a bone-like structure. Cementum is a bone-like structure. Cementum is a bone-like structure that covered and fixed the root of tooth. The root of tooth within the socket of bone. Within the socket of bone. Okay, students. Now, last one is pulp cavity. Pulp cavity and pulp. Pulp cavity and pulp. Okay. This is a pulp cavity. Red in color here. This is called pulp cavity and pulp. This is called a bone. Okay. These part is called bone. About pulp cavity. What is pulp cavity? This is called pulp cavity inside. Okay. It is central space. Pulp cavity is a central space in the tooth and filled with soft connective tissue. The narrow parts of the pulp cavity is called root canal. This part is called root canal. Root canal. Narrow parts of the pulp cavity. Narrow parts of the pulp cavity. This is a pulp cavity. Narrow parts of the pulp cavity is called root canal. Called root canal. The pulp is richly supplied with blood capillaries, nerves, fibers, and lymph vessels. Lymph vessels. Okay, students. So, students, these are all structure of teeth. Okay, about structure of teeth. Our teeth is divided in three major parts: root, neck, and crown. Root, neck, and crown. Okay. Root is the basal part, neck is the middle part, and crown is the visible part. Okay. In next video, we will discuss about topic 2, characteristics of the teeth. Characteristics of the teeth. So, thank you, very thank you.